Can I get a Vietnamese iced coffee? Thank you.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Ooh.
No. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I think today's day 5. This is already gonna fly by, I just know it. We have less than 20 days left on this ship. I cannot wrap my head around it. I'm emotional every time I think about it. Today's gonna be an amazing day. I woke up with just a really good pep in my step. Put away and folded all my laundry that was hanging in my bathroom. I just got off the phone with my friends Charlie and Kaylee back in Idaho. I was worried that I was gonna miss my class, but then I remembered that today is a study day, which means that we don't have class. And on top of study day, it's literally brunch day. So I am gonna head up to brunch right now. They never ever do brunch ever. It's like a special occasion sort of deal. And it starts in 8 minutes. Obviously a girl can eat, so we will be going up right now. Okay, so on this voyage, there has been one perfume that I've used the whole time. I did get a refill of it whenever I was in Athens, but it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Black Amber Plum and Vanilla Woods? Amber Woods? Oh my gosh. Every single time that I walk in the hallway, the amount of people that have been like, Caroline, you smell really good, and proceed to ask me what perfume I'm wearing. I think this was $20, so it's really not an expensive perfume at all, but it smells so good. Definitely recommend the dark pink bottle. All right, I'm hoping that there is some form of banana pancakes for brunch. I'm gonna bring almond butter just in case, because I always keep my almond butter in here and you just never know. Maybe I'll add it to some oatmeal today, some banana pancakes. The world is wide. Ivan, what are you doing? Is it bad? It was good today, but this is scaring me right now. There's like little holes in it. Comment down below if you also have a fear of holes, because I have a really big.
I always think like, oh, it's a fancy thing.
So it started stressful, but in the end, it was satisfactory.
Good. Does your stomach hurt? Oh god. Afternoon. It's 3:19 p.m. I slept for like 2 hours. That was an amazing nap. Also, my roommate got the most foul picture of me. I think it's just a family thing because my sister always did this growing up, and I don't know, maybe I am just now starting to do it, but my eyes were like kind of open while I was sleeping and I didn't even realize it. I have a theory it's because I slept in my contacts just now. I only recently started wearing contacts for the past 1.5 or 2 years, whereas like my sister wore them her whole life. So whenever we would see her sleeping with her eyes open, and it's not even fully open, my eyes, it's just like a little bit. Do any of y'all do this? Are we crazy, or is this like a normal thing? Because my roommate because my roommate was like freaking out. For every class on semester at C, you have to do a comparative experimental project across all of the ports. You look for whatever the class is about. So for example, my marketing, across various ports, I have to compare how marketing is shown. And then for health and wellness, what are the different dimensions of wellness that are in each different country that we visited. I finished health and wellness already a couple days ago. Marketing I just submitted earlier today before my nap, and now I need to finish individual and family development. Also, I have a write-up that I need to do. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go to the library. Maybe I will get a Vietnamese iced coffee because your girl needs some caffeine right now. That nap was very much needed. I do love study days, I will not lie. We need to be productive, and I really life on a ship consists of wearing pajamas almost all day every day.
I get a Vietnamese iced coffee? 5037.
Happy study day, everybody. Today we're grinding out stuff. We also need to finalize what the heck we're gonna do for Malaysia because it's coming out really, really soon.
We don't know.
We don't know. It's honestly stressing me out right now.
You're gonna love it. Like, you're gonna love it.
Let me hear.
You need to see.
Okay, let me hear.
Yeah, okay. So, we're thinking first day, this is just a very rough draft. But first day, since we're getting in, we don't want to like do anything too soon. So just walk around Penang in Georgetown, which is a very cultural.
Tell the vlog what you're doing.
Singing a song for my catwalk.
I'm thinking like Give Me More by Britney Spears. That's a good one too.
Off we go. Did you donate, Jack? And an apple cake. It's intricate.
Brody, how is the beef stick?
You know, for a beef stick, it's giving me all I want.
It's a chocolate cake, and then an apple cake.
Yummy. Okay, but is it as good as Damasi? That's
Question is, you know how many hot pies we ate? It's in the vlog. It's in the vlog. Jack is Jack. Jack is science.
Tell them your act.
So we out here, we're on Bruno Mars today, everyone. And I have my crew with me today.
Alright, the boys are about to perform.
God, I'm so scared.
You got this.
I have to pee so quick. 24 karat.
We are going on a mission of friends. Hi. We are going to go get snacks right now from the library. The library has a snack bar that is open 24/7, so you can always go and get food. True that. It's the best place. Should we take the elevator? It's one door up. They're running. Guys. These are the banners for the Sea Olympics.
I think Caroline is such an amazing person. It is such an honor, you know. Also, I'm hanging out in her room, which is like win-win. Life is amazing. We're on the boat. We are on our way to Malaysia, and it's so amazing because we are traveling with our besties. We're traveling with people who were strangers 4 months ago and became best friends. Love of my life.
Go, go.
Today's snack of the day. Oh my god. Dorito, cheese, cream. I guess. I literally cannot feel. Alright, we need a clam.
We need to book stuff. We were supposed to book stuff so long ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm tired. It's already midnight.